Yeah, hello. Yes, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name seems the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we talk about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, how to do your investments, and a lot. Yeah, so today, no time to waste. I want to introduce you to a new platform that is giving a lot of Ghanaian, or let me say, a lot of Africans money. So no time to waste. Let's start. Yeah. So this platform, I will leave the link in my description. But disclaimer. Listen, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a person who love making money online. So when I go and see that this platform is making money online, then I also want to try it and do this about it. So it means that I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student like you who love making money online. Yeah, so this how the app look like. Well, let them go to the home screen so that we see. So the home screen. Yeah, so this how the app looks like. Yeah, so this app I've been there for a quite long time. That's the company, but I don't know about the app though. But the company have been there for a long time, yeah. So when it comes to this platform, there are so many ways that you can use this platform to make money. Yes, so the first one is by investing in the products, and the second one is what by referring people to the platform. So when I come to the product, you see we have a lot of products over here. So these products, like if I invested 60 Ghana cedis, or if I buy this product, that's the wind power investment. Every day I'll be earning 10%. That's what 6 Ghana cedis every day. And if I buy this natural gas power investment, that's 150 Ghana cedis. And every day I'll be what? Withdrawing 18 cedis. And we have petroleum investments, that's 400 cedis. And every day I'll be what? Withdrawing 60 cedis. And this one is the low carbon new energy investment. That's 800 cities. And every day I was withdrawing 144 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So if you want to buy, you can use Vodafone, Momo, and bank account to buy. So all you need is what to click on buy. So it's loading. Yeah. So this how you buy it. So you go down here and select save and select Vodafone. You see Vodafone cash. So you use Vodafone to buy your products over here. So you come to buy. So when you come to buy, you see a lot of things over here that you can, like their MTN mobile money and everything over here, and their names and everything. So all you need is what, just copy the account name, MTN mobile money name, and the bank account title, and go to your, let's say, your Vodafone cash or Momo cash, Momo money. You just copy, but the number is what, the number here, and then the name that will appear is what, Nancy Breco. You see, so that's the name that will appear. Then you send the money to that number, and after that you do your screenshots. So when you do the screenshots, then you come to here and upload the screenshots over here. Then you upload the screenshots over here. You see that thing? Yeah. After that, you confirm payments. So they'll confirm it and the money will reflect in your account. Simple as that. And and automatically it will buy the product for you. Yeah. So you can also make money or extra cash by inviting people to join this platform. So this is how you do it. You go to home. The home, you come to my team, yeah, my team, yeah, my team. You see my team. So this I just, like, they just launched it today. So you see that I haven't invited any person right now. So you copy your link. You copy the link and you share the link. So when people join straight through your link, you will get some commission from it too. Yeah. So that's how this one works. So I will leave the link in my description. But disclaimer: I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So when I do my research about these things, then I also try it. So it means that I don't hold any responsibilities of any risk inside. So that thing, because I'm also making money from it. So let me see. Let me show you today my withdrawal today. So I'll just withdraw 250 cedis just now and it's processing. So within 30 minutes, it will reflect in my bank account or my Momo account. So it depends on the bank you bind. Me, I use my bank account to bind. So you can also use your Momo and everything to bind. Yeah, so that's how it is. So thank you for watching me, and I will leave the link in the description. I'm out.